Auf Wiedersehen, everyone. Today is Thursday, and we are at, where are we at, Leni?
Dachau.
Dachau, very good.
We had a 720?
724. That's not one of ours, is it?
No.
As we await the arrival of the buses. This is the little city of Dachau, where the Germans had a concentration camp. It was, mostly they sent Germans here, I believe. It wasn't so much prisoners of war, but it was pretty brutal from what we understand. And what was their slogan, Eileen? Work sets you free. Work sets you free, so...
or work makes you free.
Or work makes you free, that's what it is. So, we took the S-Bahn in from town. At one point we were going to the Neustein castle, Mad Ludwig's castle, but we just ran out of time. We really got a late start today because we're not feeling too good. But I've got Eileen and Katie and Kevin's feeling much better. Just to the left of us, in case you're wondering, this is where we ate at the McDonald's. So we had a good McDonald's breakfast. And for all you vegetarians out there, just like Katie, they have a veggie burger here, which they don't have back home, and it's quite good. Yeah, it's the wrong one. One goes north and one goes south, so that's the one that goes south.
North or south?
The one that's north.
Okay. I love this.
Okay, you guys got time. Kevin and I will go get you if you guys want to go to the souvenir thing.
Ready?
Okay?
Come on, let's run.
Kevin, you'll call us again?
Yeah.
Bus is here, 7:24. Our bus is here, everybody. So we're off to catch a 7:24 bus. I think. Okay, you know what? Okay.
Yeah.
Is that it? I think so.
Ask the driver.
Anyways, we're going to the concentration camp. Look for so you can see us a little better.
Come on, Mom. Daddy.
Is this when we get on?
Yeah.
Oh yeah, that's right.
Okay, we're on the bus too. And Eileen's been to the souvenir stand now 3 times, I think. And every time she goes
Don't
to
forget me.
and Katie too, but every time they go to the bus comes. The first 2 times were false alarms, but that's true. And I don't know if you can pan to it, Lenny, but there's this real pretty hotel called the Hotel of the Shore over there. And I can pan to it. So their house looks like a pretty little... It looks like the bus is taking off, everybody, so next time we talk to you, Kevin and I and Katie, possibly Eileen, we'll see you in Dachau. How do you say it? Say it sort of audible to human.
Dachau.
Dachau.
Wollen wir das Ding mal durch?